Hi there, this is Shozi, and today I'm going to show you how to use an essential oil. Now, usually you would use a carrier oil with this, such as maybe a coconut oil or another type of oil with this, because essential oils are very strong. The good ones, not the ones you get at Walmart, but essential oils that have been manufactured a certain way, like cold pressed, or that you get from a certain distributor that only carries really good essential oils, and you can tell by the price point how good they are and how they've been manufactured. You can talk to the people that sell them, how they have been manufactured. They haven't been manufactured with a gas product called hexane. Hexane is a gasoline byproduct. You do not want your essential oils to be manufactured or produced or extracted basically from the flower or from the plant by the process that involves hexane or any kind of process that involves a gasoline byproduct. Just keep that in mind, okay? So today I have peppermint oil, and peppermint oil has a lot of really good uses. One of the things that I use it for is to relieve headache stress. It's also a good clarifying, like if you have if you're stuffed up or something like that. But I get migraines. I've had migraines since I was a child, and both my biological parents had them. My children have had them, and my cousins have them. They run throughout my family. It's like a family curse, really. So what I do, and I'm going to show you how you use these in just a second. So you don't want to expose your oils to air, and you just need a little tiny bit. I mean, this is a lot. See that? That is a lot of oil. So you don't need that much. So you're just going to use like a couple of drops, okay? And what you do is you put it in your fingers, a drop or two in your fingers, just like this. I just put in one drop, and I immediately capped the lid again. And you just rub it in your fingers, and you put it in your temples, like right here, right here. You can smell it. It's very strong. Just rub it in your temples, along your hairline, back of your ears, maybe back of your neck. You can even rub some in your inner wrists. And then take your fingers and you can breathe it in. Just close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Breathe in. For a count of 3, and then breathe out. For a count of 3, and do that 3 consecutive times. In for a count of 3, exhale for a count of 3, again, 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 3 times. And it's slow breathing in, exhaling out. Let's do that again. Does that feel good? That smells really, really good. And it dissipates. You can also tell a good essential oil because the strong smell dissipates really fast. But you can still continue to rub that oil in your temple area right here. Not tough, just gently rub it in so you can, and if that's not enough, go back again with another drop. Whoops, I missed. Do you see that? Just another drop, rub it in. And be sure you cap the lid really tight, because the air will make your essential oils disappear like that. And these are expensive. Essential oils are usually pretty pricey. And this bottle right here will last me a good year and a half, just using a few drops, maybe even a little bit longer. They don't really go bad. You can tell when they're not as effective because they lose their really strong, pungent smell. So I hope that helped, and I hope that you feel better. And if you need more tips or more information, please let me know. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.